My name is Mr. Rampadasa. I have been running British English and American English for the students of colleges and universities in India. Today, I have been invited by HOD, Professor Ruby Murmu, Santali Department, Golbeta College. And he is also taking the students of Santali Department from Golbeta College. I'm very delighted to be present here in the student group organized by Professor Ruby Murmu. I have also studied different books about Pandit Raghunath Murmu in all Sikh scripts in Santali. But today, really, we have come to the birthplace of Pandit Raghunath Murmu. Really, this is historical, very significant, and very important place for development of Santali literature invented by Pandit Raghunath Murmu or Sikhi. Now the PhD research scholars of different foreign countries of the world, particularly USA, England, Germany, France, and other foreign countries of the world, they are also coming to India to take data and information regarding Santali language, all Sikh script, as well as this one is the most ancient language of the world. And there is one book titled Santali, the Best of All Language, written by Parimal Chandra Mitra. I also studied that very book written in English language. Really, this Santali language have been depressed and suppressed by so-called advanced societies of the world. But this is the right time, the very golden opportunity for the Santali Department of College and University. These professors of Santali Department as well as the students of Santali Department who are taking their BA, MA, MPhil and PhD and DLED degree. This is one of the golden and most the turning point or turning juncture of human civilization. Through this Santali language, through the all Sikh script, we can prove Santali language is the most ancient language and the richest language in the world. And it is possible through the all Sikh script whenever we study Santali literature. Thank you very much. Thank you.